lecture we are going to start about the trends in atomic properties of Hertz transition series. Hertz transition series means 3D series of d block element, that is from scandium to zinc. This is the first series, first transition series. And trends in atomic properties. Trends in atomic properties means atomic ionic radius, electronegativity, then ionization enthalpy. These are the properties, and these properties are changes with change in atomic numbers or going to left to right in the periodic table or top to bottom. These are the trends in atomic properties of first transition elements, from which first property is atomic and ionic radii. Atomic means atomic radius and ionic radii means ionic radius, means radius of ion. That is, atomic radii means all elements having radius, means these are the atomic radii. The atomic radii of the first transition element scandium to zinc, atomic radius is decreases. Atomic radius is from scandium to zinc decreases. First of all, it is clear that you know the sequence of elements of first transition element, it is scandium to zinc, and sequence is in, that is scandium, titanium, Shakti, Fe, Vakra, chromium, manganese, Me, Fe, Fe, cobalt, Co, nickel, Ni, copper, Kunz. Zn means Z, means the sequence is Shakti, Vakra, Me, Fe, Ko, Ni, Kunza. You can understand these elements in terms of this sequence, because of this sequence is necessary to explain the atomic and ionic radii. And on this topic, the question is asked on HSC board exam, that is explain the atomic, the physical trends or trends in atomic properties of first transition elements for 2 or 3 marks. Here the atomic radius means scandium to zinc decreases because of scandium to zinc the number of shell is not increases. Same shell is, that is the configuration is 3D 1 to 10 and 4 years 1 to 2, means every element having same orbitals, means last is 3D and 4 years. The last shell is not enter to the respective elements. Same shell is present in all elements, only electrons are enter in the same shell, means first 3D 1, second 3D 2, 3D 3, 3D 4, continue, means in same shell only electron is enter, and when electron is enter then the nuclear charge is increases by +1, means here consider as a scandium having +1 nuclear charge, here +2, here +3, +4, +5, continue, means shell is same. If suppose this is 3D, in all elements having last same shell 3D, only electron is enter, scandium 1 electron, titanium 2 electron, vanadium 3 electron, chromium 4 electron, and every time electron is enter then nuclear charge increases +1. When one electron is enter then +1 is increased. Again another electron is enter then +2. another electron plus 3, another electron add plus 4. Continue. Means across or along scandium to zinc plus 1 charge of the nucleus is increases. Therefore, the force of attraction of positively charged electron, positively charged nucleus and electron is increases. Therefore, every electron are contract by the nucleus because of positive charges increases. Every electron contracted by the nucleus. Therefore, after addition of one electron, the radius is decreases because positive charge increases and positive charge by force of attraction contract the electron inside. Therefore, the radius is decreases. That is, along the period, the atomic radius is decreases. Here, already I write the radius in picometer. Scandium 164, 147, titanium 135, 129, 127, 126, 125, 25, and again small increasing 128 and 137. This create due to penultimate, due to screening effect. From scandium to nickel, the trend is regular, that is decreases the atomic radius, and only last two element the radius is increases due to screening effect. Due to screening effect. Screening effect means the 3D electron, here last is 4s. The 3D electron repel the outermost electron. The positive charge contract the outermost electron and 3D outermost electron repels. Means do not enter, last electron not enter in the nucleus. Therefore, the radius is increases. Means d orbital repel the outermost electrons. Therefore, radius is increases. Means this effect is called as screening effect. Again, this is atomic radius. Ionic radius. Ionic radius means when 3d1, one electron is losses, it gets converted into scandium plus. Scandium plus. When one electron is lost, charge is plus 1. Means scandium plus. Again 2 electron loss, titanium 2 plus. 3 electron losses, titanium 3 plus. Chromium, these 3. This the radius of the ion called as ionic radius. The ionic radius also decreases along the period. Means scandium to zinc. Here the atomic ionic radius of scandium and titanium not mentioned. Here 79, 82, 82, 77, 74, 70 and 73, 75. The ionic radius is gradually decreases, and in some cases the gradually increases due to screening effect. Here 79, 82, 82, small increasing, again decreases up to the nickel and again increases. Means this trend of ionic radius is not regular because of screening effect. These ions also shows screening effect, and due to this screening effect, the radius is not regular, decreases. That is, in some cases effective nuclear charge increases and ionic radius decreases, but in some cases that the nuclear charge is not increases, therefore the ionic radius is property is ionization enthalpy. First is atomic and ionic radii for 3D series. Second is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy is also depends on the atomic and ionic radii. Second trend is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy means the energy to require to form the ions. Means when scandium loses the one electron and occupy the charge +1, and from this reaction the energy is required. This energy is called as ionization enthalpy. Means energy for formation of ion called as ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy, the trend is opposite to the atomic radius. Means if atomic radius is decreases from scandium to zinc, then ionization enthalpy is increases. Means atomic radius and ionization enthalpy opposite to each other. Because of in ionization enthalpy, when electrons are losses, means if scandium 3d1 4s2, if electrons, these two electrons are losses, means 3d, last orbital contains only 3d, means last shell is removed, and the distance, if this is nucleus, this is 3d and 4s, the electron from the atomic radius is decreases from scandium to zinc, that is the distance of the nucleus and outermost shell is decreases. Therefore, the positive charge hold the outermost electron compactly, do not easily detach from here. That is, the energy is maximum required to remove the outermost electron. The energy is required. The elements having less atomic radius, that is distance is less, therefore the outermost electron having higher energy required to loss from here. That is, positively charged nucleus is hold the electron compactly, do not get detached from here easily. That is, when radius is less, then the ionization enthalpy is greater, because high energy is required to remove the electron. If radius is greater, then the distance from the nucleus to the outermost electron is greater, means the outermost electron is away from the nucleus. Therefore, the positive charge cannot easily hold the outermost electron. So, the less energy is required to remove the outermost electron in case of greater atomic radius. Means the less energy is required to remove the electrons, means less ionization enthalpy. Means it is clear that here the atomic radius is less, then the ionization enthalpy is greater. The ionization enthalpy is explained by the graph of first transition series scandium to zinc, that is the ionization enthalpy also RE1, means after loss of one electron, because of scandium 3d1 and 4s2. If one electron is losses, the ionization enthalpy is 1. Again another electron is losses, I2. Again 3 electrons are losses, RE3. Ionization first means +1 charge, getting +1 charge, scandium plus. Ionization enthalpy 2 means scandium 2 plus. Ionization enthalpy 3 means oxidation states. These oxidation ionization enthalpies of scandium, first ionization enthalpy IE1 is 632, 659, 650, 652, 717, 762, 756, 736, 744, 906. From this data, it is clear that ionization enthalpy is increases in some cases, that is 760, again here decreases up to nickel and copper, zinc increases. Atomic radius decreases, ionization enthalpy increases, but trend is not regular because of screening effect. Due to screening effect, radius is increases and radius is decreases, therefore ionization enthalpy is increases. The curve for the graph for ionization enthalpy on y-axis IE1, first ionization enthalpy, and here metals, titanium, chromium, manganese, Fe, cobalt and copper. Cobalt, nickel, copper. Here Fe, manganese, chromium, vanadium and titanium. From this, ionization enthalpy is not regular trend. Because of regular means ionization enthalpy is increasing, but here titanium, vanadium, radius ionization enthalpy decreases, again increases rapidly to the iron, again decreases to the nickel, and same equivalent as a copper. Because of penalty, because of screening effect rapidly increases the radius, therefore ionization enthalpy decreases. This is the ionization enthalpy of group